Hello everyone. Today also in this video we are going to discuss a topic from polynomial, and this is very important topic in this lesson, children. So I want everyone should be listen carefully, watch the video until you understand, and if you have any doubt you can clarify with me. Relationship between zeros and the coefficients. Okay, so now let us see. First of all, I will start from linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means, what is the meaning? Degree 1. The polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Then how many zeros are there? Only one zero. Okay, clear or not? Suppose, one thing I will tell you here now, I am giving like this: x plus 1. Polynomial is x plus 1. This is linear polynomial. For this polynomial, what will be the zero? I mean, what value of x, if you apply here, will get 0. You can find out easily, no? Here minus 1. Okay, here plus 1 is there. If you take minus 1 means 0 will come. Yes or no? So minus 1 plus 1 means what will come now? 0 will come. So minus 1 is called 0 of the polynomial. Okay, so for this polynomial 0 is minus 1. Okay, if you don't know this one, how can we find the 0 of the polynomial? By using the coefficients. Linear polynomial general form is ax plus b. Understand? What are the coefficients here? A and the b are coefficient. Okay, so now by using the coefficient, how to find the zeros? Okay, how to find the zeros means minus constant term divided by coefficient. I will write coefficient of x. So according to this, so tell me now, according to this polynomial, what is the constant term? 1, but formula minus. Okay, coefficient of x also 1. What is the answer now? Minus 1. Tell me, for this polynomial, what is the 0 now? 0 is minus 1. When the value of x is minus 1, we will get 0 now. This minus 1 is called 0 of the polynomial. But I found by using coefficients, that time also I found minus 1 now. So 0 is same or not? Same. So this relation, what do you call now? Relationship between zeros and the coefficient. Okay, this is a simple meaning now I have given to you, children. So let us start now. For the linear polynomial, how to find the zeros? Only one zero will be there. Okay, that's what, how to find the zero. For the linear polynomial general form is ax plus b. Then 0, what will be the 0 now? 0 will be minus b by a. What is minus b? Minus is for formula. B is the constant term. In these two terms only, no, one is constant, one is x. Constant term divided by a. A is nothing but coefficient of x. So this will be the 0 of the polynomial, linear polynomial. Okay, then for quadratic means how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. That 2 zeros we cannot find out easily. Understood? We cannot find out easily. What shall we do? We have to do factorization method and all, some method we have to apply. That time only we can find out. Okay, so that's why we cannot find the 0 easily. But we can find one thing here now, sum of the zeros. Okay, quadratic polynomial is, general formula is ax square plus bx plus c. This is the general form of quadratic polynomial. Then for this quadratic polynomial there will be 2 zeros. Okay, we'll consider the 2 zeros are alpha and the beta. Meaning is, when we apply the x value as alpha, the polynomial will become 0. That's why alpha is one of the 0. When we apply the beta instead of x, that time also 0 should come. That's why alpha and the beta are the 2 zeros now. Okay, considering only zeros means, what is the meaning? When we apply that particular value of the variable polynomial should come 0. That value of the variable is called 0 of the polynomial. Okay, so now alpha and beta are the zeros now. Then sum of zeros, alpha plus beta. Alpha means 1 0, beta means 1 0. Sum of zeros. This sum of zeros will be given by, okay, minus b by a. What is the minus b? Minus is the formula. B is the coefficient of x. A is the coefficient of x square. Next one, alpha into beta, meaning is product of zeros. Two zeros, no. That two zeros multiplying means what will come? That value will be given by constant term divided by coefficient of x square. C is the constant, A is the coefficient of x square. Okay. So after finding the two zeros, you find the sum. That sum will be same as this formula. Value will be same. Then if you, after finding the zeros, if you multiply the two zeros, no, that value and this formula will be, value will be same only. That's why it is called relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. Okay, last one now. Cubic polynomial means three zeros. What is the general form? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Okay, so three zeros will come now. We will consider alpha is 1 0, beta is 1 0, gamma is 1 0. Meaning is when we apply individually, polynomial should come 0. Okay, that's why all these three numbers are called zeros of the polynomial. Then find out sum of the zeros taken one at the same time. Alpha plus beta plus gamma, sum of the zeros, three zeros, okay, will be given by C minus b by a. Here minus b is nothing but coefficient of x square, a is nothing but coefficient of x cube. And the next one is you take it to two zeros, multiply it and sum again. So if you are taking 2 to 0 means alpha and beta one pair, beta and gamma one pair, alpha and gamma one pair, like that. Okay, alpha and the beta product plus beta and the gamma product plus alpha and the gamma product. Sum of the, this is sum of the product of zeros taken two at the same time. Okay, then this will be given by C by A. C is nothing but coefficient of x, A is coefficient of x cube. And the last one, product of three zeros, alpha into beta into gamma, will be given by minus d by A. Okay, minus d by A. So d is nothing but constant term, A is coefficient of x cube. Like this we can find the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Okay, and one more thing I forgot to tell you here, to make a quadratic polynomial. Okay, quadratic polynomial, if you want to know how to make the linear polynomial, I will tell you in the next class, and the cube polynomial. Okay, today this is the main topic we are going to learn here. Now I told you this topic will come in the next chapter also, quadratic equation. That time also this is very important. Okay, to make a quadratic polynomial, I mean how to form a quadratic polynomial. Okay, so there is nothing but x square. If you want to make any quadratic polynomial, this is a formula, x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. X square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. Okay, and also this type of quadratic polynomial in the exam they can ask in the two forms. One form is when the zeros are given. Suppose zeros are 2 and 3. Okay, zeros are 2 and 3. How to make the equation now? X square minus, these are the two zeros now, sum of zeros means what will come? 2 plus 3, 5, 5x plus product of zeros, 2 3s are 6. So what will come now? X square minus 5x plus 6. This will be the required quadratic polynomial. Okay, this method when we are applying when the zeros are given. Okay, and the second method is sum of zeros given. Sum of zeros is 2 and the product of zeros is 3. That means how to find the quadratic polynomial? X square minus, here sum of zeros, no, sum of zeros, but here zeros are not given. Zeros are not given separately. Sum of zeros is 2. Sorry, sum of zeros you write 3, product of zeros is 2. Okay, sum of zeros is 3. Then means you have to apply directly. Should not add this one. Already sum of zeros given now. So 3x plus product of 0 is 2. So this will be the required quadratic polynomial. So I told you this making the quadratic polynomial can be asked in two ways. One is when the zeros are given. Another one is when the sum of zeros and the product of the zeros are given. So these are the things you have to learn in the quadratic polynomial. Okay children, I hope you understand, right? So if you don't understand, don't hesitate to ask any doubt. Drop your feedbacks in the comment box and write in details. I have doubt in this part I will clarify sure in the next video as soon as you give the feedback. And if you like my video, please don't forget to share it and subscribe my channel as much as possible. Okay children, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next class. Till then, goodbye.